Once upon a time in a quiet village, there lived a wise master archer named Master Victor and his eager student named Tim. Master Victor was known far and wide for his incredible skill with a bow and arrow. One sunny morning, Master Victor turned to Tim and said, "Tim, come with me today to the forest. I want to show you something important." Tim, always ready to learn, followed his master into the lush woods. They walked until they reached a big clearing with a massive oak tree standing proudly in the center. Master Victor unpacked his bow, arrows, and to Tim's surprise, a small flower he took from his pocket. He carefully pinned the flower to one of the oak's branches. Then he handed Tim a soft scarf. "Tim," Master Victor said, "I want you to blindfold me with this scarf and lead me 900 feet away from the tree." Tim did as he was told, guiding his master to the chosen spot. Master Victor felt the breeze, listened to the forest sounds, and relied on Tim's guidance. With the blindfold securely in place, Master Victor took aim and released his arrow. It flew through the air, and Tim anxiously watched. When they returned to the oak tree, Tim saw that the flower was untouched, and there was no sign of the arrow. Tim hesitated, but then said honestly, "Master Victor, I'm sorry, but you didn't hit the flower or even the tree. The arrow is nowhere to be found." Master Victor smiled gently and said, "That's all right, Tim. I wanted to teach you a valuable lesson today. In life, just like in archery, you must have a clear target. You can concentrate and think as hard as you want, but if you can't see your goal, you're likely to miss it. Always keep your eyes on your target in life, Tim." Tim understood the lesson and thanked his wise master for the important advice. From that day on, he learned to set clear goals and keep them in sight on his journey through life. And so, they left the forest that day, the student with a valuable lesson in his heart, and the master content with his teaching. Thanks for watching.